Hello, lovely viewers. You are most welcome to English Lessons Online. In today's lesson, we shall look at either or and neither nor. So first of all, let us look at the pronunciation of these words. This word could be pronounced as either. It could also be pronounced as either. Either, either. Both are acceptable. Then we have neither, 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 neither. Now let us look at the meaning of either and neither. Please take note, in both cases, two options are available. In both cases, two options are available. Either. Two options are available, but only one is chosen. Two options are available, but only one is chosen. Neither. Two options are available, but none is chosen. Two options are available, but none is chosen. Let us look at some examples to help us understand neither and either better. Before we take the examples, please take note. Either goes with or, neither goes with nor. Either or, neither nor. So example 1. Either Kofi or Abu is at fault. Either Kofi or Abu is at fault. What this means is that one of the two nouns mentioned is at fault. Kofi could be at fault, Abu could be at fault. But at the end of the day, only one of the two is at fault. Example 2. Neither Kofi nor Abu is at fault. This means that none of the two is at fault. Kofi is not at fault, Abu is not at fault. Let us look at the rule of Concord when it comes to the use of either or and neither nor. When two nouns are linked with either or, neither nor, the rule of Concord says that if a sentence has two subjects linked by or, nor, the verb must agree with the part of the subject that is closest to the verb. I'll take that again. If a sentence has two subjects linked by or nor, the verb must agree with the part of the subject that is closest to the verb. So let us take some examples. Either Kofi or his friends are at fault. Either Kofi or his friends are at fault. In this sentence, the noun that is closest to the verb is friends. Friends is a plural subject, therefore, it goes with the verb are. It is therefore wrong to say either Kofi or his friends is at fault. Either his friends or Kofi is at fault. The noun that is closest to the verb is Kofi. Kofi is a singular noun. Therefore, it goes with the singular verb is. It is equally wrong to say here that either his friends or Kofi are at fault. Example 3. Neither Kofi nor his friends are at fault. Neither his friends nor Kofi is at fault. Either the committee members or the students writes every day. Either the committee members or the student writes every day. We have two nouns here linked by or. They are the committee members and the student. The student is a singular subject. Student is a singular subject. Therefore, it must go with the singular verb writes. Neither the student nor the committee members write every day. Committee members is a plural subject and it's closest to the verb, so it will go with the plural verb write. Now, let us carry out this exercise together. Choose the correct form of the verbs in bracket to complete each sentence. Number 1. Either the children or their mother likes loud music. The correct answer is likes because mother, which is closest to the verb, is a singular subject. Neither the coach nor the players come late for training. Neither the coach nor the players come late for training. Players is a plural noun and it is the one that is closest to the verb. Therefore, the correct answer is come, which is a plural verb. The driver or his mate overloads the truck every time. The driver or his mate overloads the truck every time. The correct answer therefore is overloads because mate is a singular subject and must therefore go with the singular verb overloads. This brings us to the end of today's lesson. Please do well to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thank you.